weekend long and into the beginning of this week, we've been monitoring a couple of different things very closely. The first thing, the potential for accumulating snow across the area. And the second thing, just how cold does it get late tonight and again tomorrow night? And are we dealing with a hard freeze? And it certainly looks like that is going to occur. Heading into break just a few minutes ago, I showed you that hard freeze, that warning that's in place across the entire area, not only tonight, but going into tomorrow as well. Very concerned here. We're going to see some damage to the fruit crop with temperatures that are expected to drop into the 20s a couple of nights in a row. As far as the snow chances go, as we've gone through time here, even from last week, Friday and Saturday into yesterday and this morning, everything continues to look a little bit farther south and a little bit farther to the southeast, which continues to bring down our chances for any kind of accumulating snow, especially once you get north of Interstate 94. And for those of you who just say it is way too cold for me, well, the rebounding temperatures are not too far away. In fact, Thursday into Friday, it'll start to feel a lot nicer outside. So here's what the satellite and radar looks like. Just checked the latest observations, and so far, most of what is looking like it's falling here across our southern tier of counties is not quite making it to the ground, although I did look at some of the observations out of northern Indiana. Elkhart, as well as South Bend, as well as Goshen, all reporting at least some light snow showers in the vicinity. And you can see this stretches all the way back into parts of southwest Missouri. An area of low pressure right now in northeast Arkansas, western Tennessee is going to really ride right along the Ohio River. And what that track means is that for the most part, this area of snow is going to have a very hard time going any farther to the north. So the Fox 17 future track, as we go through the rest of today, this is 1 o'clock. You're going to notice how well we continue to see some of that blue and pink showing up. But for the most part, it's across portions of central Illinois, northern Indiana, and northern Ohio, as well as locations near Ann Arbor and Detroit. And by the time we make it to early tomorrow morning, this is pushed into the northeast, and we're looking at drier conditions starting to build in. High pressure will likely start to control our weather here as we go through the very end of this work week, Thursday into Friday. So as far as any snowfall accumulations, it looks to be pretty limited. We're looking at Interstate 94 off to the south, better risk Interstate 69 off to the southeast there. We could see a ½ inch to an inch, especially on some grassy surfaces for our southern tier of counties here that border Indiana. Otherwise, I think for the most part, it's just some flakes that we'll see and some raindrops that are possible. Temperatures here in the low 40s today. Again, very cold tonight. Any sensitive vegetation you have outside should be brought in. That's not only for tonight, but for tomorrow as well. I mentioned we would see those temperatures bumping up a little bit, a little for Thursday, a little more for Friday, and notice we stay in the 50s as we head into the weekend.
A group of teenagers are learning how to drive thanks to